Skincare is super important, guys, and this Black Friday, Tiege Hanley has got an amazing deal for you. A huge box packed with 13 items valued at over $140, yours for only $69. We're gonna break down what's in the box and see this amazingness. All right, guys, let's check out all the awesomeness in this box. All right. Ooh, look at that box of goodies. First up, we have Tiege Hanley Body Scrubber. This is awesome for applying body wash in the shower. You can exfoliate and really build up a nice lather. Next up, we have the body lotion. This is an amazing body lotion. I've done a video on this. You can see that video here. It is very moisturizing, something that you can use. It doesn't leave your hands or your body greasy. It just leaves you nice and moisturized. Next, we have my deodorant of choice. This comes in the clean scent. I've also done a video on this. The Tiege Hanley deodorant is amazing. It's an all-natural deodorant, no aluminum. It's gonna keep you smelling good for hours and hours. It's aluminum-free, paraben-free. It's amazing. I love the scent. Go with it. Trust me. Next up, we have the ball powder, balls. I've also done a video on this. An amazing ball powder, works very well, keeps you clean. It has that same clean scent as the deodorant. Awesome, can't go wrong with that. You do not want smelly balls. Next, we have, check out this hat. Like, it's just cool, right? The Uncomplicated hat. Can't go wrong with this. I'm gonna be rocking this here later in the video. And underneath the hat, we have more goodies, right? We have count them, two body washes in the citrus variety. I own these are pretty cool. We have some cool stuff that we find normally in the Tiege One Level 1 kit. It's included in Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. We have the wash, the AM moisturizer, and the scrub. All this is essential for skincare, guys. You gotta be using that stuff. Next, we have the amazing clay mask. I love this stuff. I use it once a week. It detoxifies. We've also done a video on this, and it's amazing. Gotta pick it up. Next up, we have the Scrub Body Bar. Now, this is one of the few products I have not done a video on, but it is amazing. Along with everything else here. I feel like I've been saying amazing for a long time, but it is a really cool product. Use it once or twice a week. Get off all that dead skin. It smells amazing. You'll thank me later. And of course, we round out this box with lip. The Tiege Hanley lip. Now, I have not tried this product yet. I have tried the other lip balms that they have, but this is the peppermint variety. Perfect for this season, and you know, it's kind of in the name. It keeps your lips nice, soft, and kissable. Guys, they always include the card that gives you the easy, uncomplicated instructions on how to use this stuff that you got in your brand new Tiege Hanley box. And that's going to conclude our unboxing of the Tiege Hanley box. Again, an amazing box, over $140 in value at $69. You can't go wrong with that. You get some amazing skincare stuff. Skincare is a gift you give yourselves, but that'll be an amazing gift for the dude in your life. Plus you get this awesome, uncomplicated hat. You can't go wrong with it. So the links are in the description, and we will catch you next time. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Happy Black Friday. Remember, give the gift of skincare. It's the gift you give to yourself. Take care. Peace.